Professional day traders think in probabilities, not predictions. A beginner thinks these stocks will go up. A professional thinks there is a higher probability the stock moves up if price breaks this level with volume, but I can still be wrong. There's a huge difference. Professional day traders don't need to be right every time. They need a system where winners are bigger than losers over many trades. Here's an example. If you lose $50 when wrong but make 150 when right, you don't need to win every trade. You just need to follow the plan. They manage risk before thinking about profit. Beginners ask, how much can I make? Professionals ask, how much can I lose if I'm wrong? Before entering a trade, they already know entry price, stop loss, target, position size, reason for the trade, reason to exit. A professional trader never enters first and thinks later. Professional traders wait more than they trade. Most of trading is not clicking buttons, it is waiting. Waiting for the right market condition, the right setup, the right price level, confirmation, liquidity, volume, clean risk reward. A beginner feels I need to trade now. A professional thinks no setup, no trade. Professional traders don't marry their opinions. A beginner says, I believe Tesla will go up. A professional says, if Tesla hold this support, I'm interested. If it breaks down, I'm out. Professionals are flexible. They don't care about being right. They care about following what the market is actually doing. The market does not reward opinions. It rewards discipline. A professional trader has rules. For example, I only trade stocks with strong volume, clear trend, news catalyst, and a clean pullback. That means they don't randomly jump from strategy to strategy. They know what they trade, why they trade, when they stay out, and when they stop for the day. A beginner looks for the perfect indicator. A professional builds a repeatable process. Professional trading is not about predicting the future. It is about managing risk, waiting for high-quality setups, and repeating a tested process. That's all. Leave a comment, please. Subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.